Alright guys, and in today's video, I'm going to show you literally how to get business credit in 60 seconds or less. No hassle, no headaches. Alright guys, so I know it's a lot of people that don't know how to get business credit or even maintain business credit. But in today's lesson, I'm literally going to show you how to get business credit in 60 seconds or less and how to obtain it. I promise you it's super easy. It's literally what I did, so I'm just sharing it with you guys. And in today's video, I'm bringing you NAV. I've had NAV for over 2 years now, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to actually work with them so you can build your business credit so you can start getting funding right away. Let's dive in. So basically what NAV is, it's basically a business credit app. It's kind of more similar to MyFICO or your Experian profile when you try to check your credit scores, but it's literally just like a credit monitoring app, but with your business scores. So NAV, this business credit software, what they do is they go over here, grab your Duns and Bradstreet, they go over here and grab your Experian business and all other small business credit scores, and they factor it all into one, kind of like a Credit Karma, like I stated again, because as you know, there aren't that many softwares or monitoring apps that can actually get you your business credit scores accurately. So with NAV, you have different subscription-based monthly packages. And of course, you can choose either the $29.99 subscription, the $39.99 subscription, or the $49.99 subscription. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys know now. $29.99 one is going to only show you the bare minimum. It's not going to show you the numbers, like, so if you're Dun and Bradstreet or Experience like at an 80, it's not going to show you that. It's going to say either A, B, or C. That can mean a lot of different things. But you also really don't want the $49.99 package. They really just give you extra stuff for no reason. The sweet spot is the $39.99 subscription. The reason why is because it shows you literally right there what your actual number is or your actual scores are with each and every business model. And then they're also going to update it every single month. So just like MyFICO, Credit Karma, things of that nature, or whatever you use to see your actual personal business score. And another reason why I have the $40 package and why you would need it also is because when you pay the $40, that $40 with NAV acts as a trade line on your business credit profile. That is the first trade line that you're going to have. So if you're trying to build business credit, this is the first trade line that you're going to have. And if you know anything about credit and things of that nature, if you don't have anything on a credit profile and then you actually get something that's in great standing, it's going to shoot your scores up 70, 80, 90 points because it's the first trade line that you have and it's in positive standing. So you can easily start with NAV and then start on the right foot and have everything in the highest scores possible. Does that make sense? So as soon as you pay for that package, NAV takes the $40 and it actually reports it to each business credit bureau to let it know, hey, this business is in great standing. Hey, we do business with them and everything is paid on time. And just to let you know now, if you unsubscribe from NAV, it doesn't negatively affect anything. No scores and no type of way. Everything is going to stay the exact same. So if everything is perfect and you unsubscribe, it's going to stay perfect. So it's a win-win situation. So again, just like I stated, if you literally don't know how to start building business credit, because I know it sometimes can be a headache, NAV is actually going to make it easier for you. It's the smartest and fastest way to build business credit, especially like again, if you don't know what you're doing. You might as well just pay $40 and boost all your business credit scores. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. And again, with NAV, they can help you get started with business credit without actually being a PG, a personal guarantor. And just like I stated, if you don't know what a personal guarantor is, it's basically you co-signing for your business. And if you're not in that actual range where you want to PG something, this is actually the road that you want to take to actually get to that point where you don't actually have to be a personal guarantor. So with that being said, NAV is the easiest way to start because that's the same way how I started. So if you're really adamant and very serious about your business credit so you can build up your empire, just click the link in the bio and you can go ahead and sign up. It's super easy. All you have to do is put in your business information and NAV will instantly get your business credit rolling. They'll literally take all the information from, like I stated, Dun and Bradstreet, all of these other small business bureaus, and they will actually get those trade lines pushed out to those places so they can give you high business scores so you can get high business funding. I want to appreciate you guys for stopping by. Now click the link in my bio and go ahead and get set up. It's super easy.